Hi, I'm Maggie Neola, registered dietitian at the Physicians Committee. Today we're going to make Yes You Can black bean chili. Yes You Can black bean chili really is named appropriately because you can do it at home. It only takes 3 ingredients, and the cool thing about these ingredients is that you can keep them on hand at any time. So let's say you came back from a vacation and you have no food in the house, but you have these 3 and you're good to go for a quick meal that can be made in 10 minutes or less. So what you want to do is start off with black beans. These are really high in fiber and protein, and you can drain them, but keep that loca just in case you want to have a little more soupy of a chili. So we got 1 can there. The next is the frozen corn. You can use canned corn if you like, I just prefer frozen. So it's an entire bag of corn. Go ahead and put that in the pot there too. Nice medium pot will work. This serves about 4 people. And the last thing is the salsa. Be sure to pick your favorite kind of salsa because this is what adds a whole lot of flavor to your recipe. So we've got 1 jar right in there, and this is a pretty thick chili, which is how I like it. But if you want to thin it out, go ahead and grab some of that black bean juice here and just add a little more liquid. You don't have to use all of it. So we're gonna mix that together. And what's really great about this is that it has 3 of the Power Plate food groups in there. So you've got legumes, grains, and vegetables. Really gonna help you feel full longer. Now all you gotta do is go ahead and put this on medium heat on your stovetop for about 10 minutes until it's warm. After 10 to 15 minutes, it's hot and ready to be served. So let's grab a nice big bowl here and a ladle and dish yourself out a nice portion of this chili. Now you could eat quite a bit of this, and feel free to eat as much as you want so that you feel full and ready to go with your day. All right, so we got this beautiful chili, and let's finish it off. Just add a little bit more brightness with a squeeze of lime on top. Very delicious, gonna make that flavor pop. And a nice cilantro garnish, of course. If you wanna go ahead and put some hot sauce on there to make it spicy, you could do that as well, or even some baked tortilla chips for some crunch. Enjoy a nice bowl of Yes You Can black bean chili.